What's the meaning of childbirth? Childbirth. Childbirth.
Childbirth. Childbirth. Childbirth refers to the process or act of delivering a baby from a woman's womb. It typically occurs after a pregnancy period of around 9 months. During childbirth, the baby is pushed out of the mother's uterus and passes through the vagina, a narrow canal between the uterus and the outside of the body. After a successful delivery, the result is a newborn child who is dependent on his or her parents for care, love, and protection. Childbirth is a complex and physically demanding process that requires medical supervision and support to ensure the safety of both the mother and the baby.